Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will look at the chorale Nun kommt der Heiden Heiland. We will take the melody, play it in the tenor and improvise a counterpoint upon this tenor line. So I have the melody here in the book. Let me just sing the melody for you one time. So, so, fa, si, la, so, so, si, do, re, si, do, re, si, la, so, 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 fa, si, la, so. So now I will take this melody and play it here on my keyboard, and I will start singing a simplex upon this tenor. Na, 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 na. Okay, now I could maybe add a cadence at the end with a syncope, so something like this. Na, 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 na. As you might have heard, I always have these 10th parallels upon the cantus firmus, and maybe one time I could take the upper voice and sing one octave lower to have some variety. Na, 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 na. Now I could also start adding diminutions. So for instance something like this. Na, na, I just added a few notes, and at the end in the cadence I made a little ornament. Listen once more. For the next choral line, we could, for instance, start with the third upon the bass instead of the octave. So I here always had imperfect consonances. This time I could try to add some big jumps to have some more melodic movement in my melody. Again, I have the soprano clausula at the end of the line. In the next phrase, the cantus firmus goes stepwise upwards, and I could, for instance, make some counter motion. At the end, the cantus firmus goes stepwards downwards, and I could easily make a lot of syncopes. So let me just try the simplex before I add the syncopes. So at the beginning I had the counter motion, and at the end I had a lot of 6 parallels. Now I could have the syncope 7/6 at the end, so something like this. At the beginning I could use some ornaments, some diminutions, and of course some pauses to make the piece even more polyphonic. Okay, so I added a pause at the beginning, and in the syncopes I added just a few more notes. Listen once more. The last line is just as the first line, so I don't need to practice that now. Let me just sing all 4 lines for you now. made a nice piece with the cantus firmus of Nun komm the Heiden Heiland in the tenor, and we improvised a contrapunto diminutum upon this tenor. Let's sing it once more, maybe a bit faster. Thanks for watching and see you the next time. Bye!